Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how I got this 90s flip. Now, I know everybody has been doing this and this has came back, but I just wanted to give my little take on this 90s flip. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notifications so you won't miss a video. So now let's get into it. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Ain't nothing to. Okay, so this wig, you guys, let us pray, because this wig is like 5-6 years old, and I was so nervous that this wig was just about to just destroy this whole thing. Like, I where's my shirt? But yeah, so this wig is so old, you guys. So I got this out of my old hair bin, and I was like, we're gonna do this tutorial. So first, I'm going to go ahead and put some Got to Be spray, because this is a lace front toe, honey. I do not know the company. Like I said, it was like from 5 years old. I can't even believe it's still this good. This hair has been through the trenches. This wasn't even the natural hair color or nothing. But yes, I'm going in and just blow and dry. What the? Come on now, get it together at least. Okay, so I'm going to blow dry my Got to Be spray onto my head so this wig can stick. I was listening to or I was watching videos while I was doing this, so if you see me singing along or making weird facial expressions, this is why. So like I said, this wig is so old. I really thought this was not going to work, so I really had to pray before I did this, but we'll see how it'll turn out. So again, you want to just put some spray and some blow dry to it. Oh, I need to clean out that blow dry. Look how looking. But yeah, so I'm just gonna do that, which is pretty self-explanatory. This wig was like a 16-inch, and then I cut it short. And I was gonna buy some new hair, but I'm like, I'm not about to buy no new hair when I can just try to revive this and just hope for the best and see if it would turn out right, which I think it did in the end, as you guys will see in the end. Now, come on now, get it together. I'm tired. But I'm just going in and blending the lace into my forehead, child. This big old forehead, with my Fenty Beauty Instant Warm Bronzer. I use this all the time to tint my lace. And I'm so shocked that this hair is actually looking semi-decent. I really put some work to it. Before the video, actually, I was combing it out, washing it, doing all kind of stuff just to revive this hair for you guys. So now I'm just going in with my little hair wax stick, and I'm just going to press the roots just to flatten it a little bit so it can look a little more natural. This wig is looking bomb like right now. Like, I'm super shocked. Prayer works, you guys. So I'm just touching up the roots with this pressing comb. This pressing comb was hot, honey. Hot. I thought my room was gonna blow up. It was smoking and everything, but it got the job done. Okay, so just flatten it out. Just put a little oil on my hair. Like, this is pretty self-explanatory, you guys, but some of you guys have no clue about hair, which is kind of like me, but it's okay. We're gonna just talk our way through this. I have a feeling you guys are like, no, don't talk your way through it. Okay, so now I'm just going to work on the flips. Now, the flip, who they want? Flip. Now, the flip, you guys, okay, I have to lower the camera so you guys can see. Where is my shirt? I'm really bothered by that. So I'm going to be flipping my hair with the flat iron. So you just want to flip it up and curl it up, if that makes any sense. So just curl it up just so it has that little hoof, U, and there's your flip. Just like that, and I'm just going to keep repeating it until you get all the hair. Now, I kind of want it like a bouncy, kind of flowy, not just straight, like all of it the same length. You can do that, but I just wanted to add a little bit of layers to mine, so that's why I'm taking piece by piece, and I'm just going to flip it. This is going really fast, so I had to speed this up because I'm like, you guys get the point. So I'm just flipping, flip, press, flip. Also, you guys, I think with any hair texture of this, with this style, the curls they're gonna fall. So I'm going to just show you how I just used a little bit of the Gots to Be spray to keep the curls. So I did that like a little bit. I didn't really do too much of it. So I just did it a little bit and then working on the other side. And that's pretty much what was that? What is that? Is the actual curl. Let's do that over. Flip it. That's why I don't have a shirt. I took my shirt off to show you guys the flip because I kind of felt like the plaid was kind of like not really showing you the hair. So now a lot of you guys have been asking me, well, not a lot of you guys, some of you guys, I'm like that, like I'm popping like that. In my last 90s tutorial, some of you guys mentioned, hey, like, sis, like the makeup, we need a tutorial on that. I am a makeup blogger, so I normally do makeup tutorials and makeup videos, but I decided to speed through my little makeup, application real quick just to show you how I did this. Like I said, it's real quick. If you want a slow version, you can always follow me on Instagram, my YouTube. I do a lot of makeup tutorials on my YouTube, so you can also subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications. Haha, that's the plug. So that was a quick little makeup tutorial, and that is it, you guys. Look at this hair. It actually came out better than I thought. Some of the loose, I gotta go back and curl those little pieces, but this is giving me 90s vibe all the way. 90s vibe. So now you can add it and you kind of style it any kind of way you want. I added some clips just to kind of give you guys like a versatile of how you that makes no sense, of how you can rock this and it still look 90ish, And then my all-time favorite is my fur hat, bucket hat. I got this from ASOS, is that, yeah, ASOS, and it was like almost $40. It was a lot. That's a lot, but I feel like this was the look. This just makes it just pop, and it totally gives me Clueless 90s vibes. So I'm like, we're gonna keep this hat on, and we're gonna just feel like we're in the 90s. Yes, put some lip gloss on. I don't know what I'm doing here, but you guys, that is it, and I hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.